Okay, let's look at this guy here. What's he doing? He's trying to interpret this function here. Well, we know what this is. We know this is a parabola. And he's looking at that and he's saying, what does it mean? Well, what he's trying to do, and what he'll be asked if he's in an exam, is he's going to have to find the function, find the equation for this function f. He's given some x-intercepts and he's given a y-intercept. How's he going to do it? Well, if he's good, he'll be able to find that the equation is this one right here. Now let's just take a look at Mr. Autry's notes. And he talks about how we've learned how to sketch all these lines, parabolas, hyperbolas, and exponents, and we can put them on the same graph or on their own graph. And sometimes we can use them to answer questions just by looking at the graph we've done rather than using algebra. But we're going to practice more of these things. We actually have done some of this in grade 10, where we were given some information and we had 1 point, and we were given x-intercepts and had to find the function. But in grade 11, it gets a little harder. You know about the equation of a line. It's y equals mx plus c, or ax plus q, the same thing. We can use analytical geometry sometimes to find the gradient, and then put the gradient in here, and 1 point to find the equation of the line. So that's something. But for parabolas, we have to know the three forms. You've got standard form, you've got intercept form, and you've got turning point form. And if you start this whole thing of trying to figure out, you're given a graph and you're trying to figure out the formulas, if you don't know these three formulas and you don't know the formulas for the equation of a line, you just can't get started.